Okay, so I messed up. Whatever I recorded didn't go. So let's start again. So when you want to do a live stream with StreamYard, right? What you have to do after you've logged in and everything, then you click on live stream right here, and you select the YouTube account. Depending on what account you want to use. Normally, we can do two or three site or social media destination, but sorry, because this account is a free account, we can only do one social media site at a time. And so for now, we do the YouTube account, right? And then it's asking for title. And the title is going to be Steam Saturday. And then I put the date. Then normally I copy and paste again. And I'll say with Ghana and US students. Then I'll do hashtag Steam, hashtag STEM, hashtag all that other hashtag. Then it's asking for privacy, it's public, it's asking for category, you say education, and then you click create live stream. Now that you are in the studio, it's asking about your webcam, which is on, and whether you're muted and stuff like that. And you can tell anytime you are speaking, it's here. You can always change the display name, but I just keep it like Team USA. So right here, I enter studio, and then you see there is nothing here. So, but you see your channel is right here. And if you want to add, you can always click edit and then you can add more stuff, okay? But anyway, we're going to keep it like that if you want to change. So over here, now that we have it, you add your Team USA to the stage. This is how you get your Team USA stuff. It's very important to add this and then click on share screen. I'm gonna let me cancel. I'm gonna start the what's it called, Zoom, the Google Meet for the scene class, and I'm gonna join. What I'm gonna do is that for the sake of time, I'm just gonna turn off my video camera off here, okay? But normally it's supposed to be on because the kids are gonna be on. So you click join now. So we are here. Now I will go to StreamYard. Then I will add. It says share screen. So to share the screen, I'll click on the Google Meet, okay, and make sure that the share sound is always on. So now that we have the Google Meet, go back to the tab, and then now we're gonna make sure that we change the layout to this one here, okay? Change the layout to this one here. And then after that, we will, let me, after that, what we will do is to now go click live, go live, go live. You see? So when you go live, you go live. Now you are live. You see? So they're live. Now the next thing is now end stream. When you're about to be done, make sure you click end and end streams. And then that's that. But the image over here, okay, that's it. Then make sure you end stream, and that's it. So I hope that makes sense on how to do the live stream. And you see it has ended, and that's about that. Okay. If you want to do banner or change banner, you can always add new banners here. You can add, create new banner or delete or edit and stuff like that. So this is how these banners are showing down here. Okay. So that's it.